So we can see, now that this conversation has gone on for a while, that a whole lot of people have said a lot of things, and this has given people a chance to show their contributions to the discussions. So let's take a moment and just look back at the look fors. Level 2, level 3, level 4. What we're looking for here is people's comments clarify the discussion and invite more comments from others. If we look back at the actual rubric for the Contribution CogSkill, which are being graded on for this, we're looking for people to attempt to move the discussion forward by asking and responding to questions. Level 5 means you're expressing original ideas clearly and persuasively and attempting to deepen the discussion. Let's take a quick look at who's doing that really effectively here. Notice there's a lot of questions being asked. Some good mistakes up in front, but we've got some people saying some things like Ms. Smith here says, asks a question about the objects that have been included in the system, which has caused this person to change this to add the Earth into their system because they realized that was important. Again, maybe Joseph Kramer here, maybe he knew all along that the Earth was important, but he intentionally left it out to encourage conversation. That's part of the reason why the mistake game is so interesting. Again, Ms. Smith is making a connection to a rocket ship here, and Joe Kramer says, okay, I don't quite see the connection to the rocket ship. Can you explain that to me? He's not just going ahead and explaining that. He's giving other people the opportunity to explain it. This isn't to say that you shouldn't explain stuff. You can, but you should try to explain stuff in a way that gives other people a chance to express their ideas as well. One more thing, notice in this conversation, the comment was resolved, and then it had to be reopened. One thing that you want to keep in mind, just like parting words here, try not to resolve comments if there's more to say. You don't actually have to resolve the comments at all. It probably makes it easier for everybody to see the comments if they're all laid out here. Because if someone wants to say, has anyone commented on thermal energy, they can always click on that bar and all the comments related to thermal energy will show up here. You can also go up to comments, in this case, in the upper right-hand side of the screen, and you can see all the comment threads for everything. If something does get resolved accidentally, you can reopen it by replying to it here. So again, keep your eye on these look fors and the CogSkill rubric for contribution. Keep your eye on these suggestions. Encourage people to use their notes, ask good questions, and try to make sure that you're responding quickly to make these conversations as excellent as they possibly can be.